Did you know that in medieval England, killing a deer could cost you both your eyes? When William the Conqueror invaded England, he declared 1/3 of the entire country as royal forest. Suddenly, hunting any animal became illegal, even on your own land. The punishments were brutal and escalating. First offense meant losing a finger, cut off with an axe. Second offense cost you an entire hand. Third offense resulted in having both eyes burned out with hot iron rods. Special forest courts traveled between royal forests conducting mass trials. Hundreds of people were sentenced at once with no chance to defend themselves. But here's the twisted truth. These laws had nothing to do with protecting wildlife. They were designed to generate massive royal revenue through fines and punishments. During the Norman period, more people were blinded or had limbs cut off for forest crimes than for actual murder. In medieval England, deer were literally more legally protected than human beings. Greed disguised as conservation at its most horrific.